says that which of the following could be the graph of f prime, which is the derivative of f. Okay, so when I'm seeing those questions, I would think that the relationship between f prime, and f double prime. So always remember they're one step higher for each other. So for example, f prime is the derivative of f, and f double prime is the derivative of f prime. So if the question asks us the derivative of f, which is only asking us one step higher, so what we want to identify is where is the section on the original f function, is the curve increasing or decreasing. So increasing means f prime is above the x-axis. If it's decreasing, then f prime is below x-axis. So let's find out which choice match our expectation. So starting with choice A, it shows that the first section is above x-axis, which means the original function is increasing. That's good. And then the middle part is below x-axis, which means that f is decreasing, and it's also good. And the last part is above x-axis, so that means that f is increasing at this part. So that's all good. I think f will be a good backup choice, but let's find out what other choice that we can see or we can eliminate out. So choice B, which you can see that it's pretty similar with choice A, except that its y-intercept it's in here. Like it's when x equal to 0. Like its x-intercept is where its vertex at is. But choice A, the vertex is not at the y-axis. So what's the difference of that? Well, we can see this by looking at the original function f more closely. So we can see that when is the function change, it's increasing or decreasing. Like when is the function changes from increasing to decreasing or from decreasing to increasing? Well, the function changes at a point that it's below, like we can call this point A and this point B. So at point A, function f changes from increasing to decreasing. And at point B, function f changes from decreasing to increasing. And you can see that A must be a number that is negative, right? Because it's on the left side of the zero of the origin. So if we compare with A and B, then we can see in choice A, the function showing that the original f function changes from increasing to decreasing exactly on the origin. And that's not what we want, because if we look back at our original f function, at origin, there's no changing of there's no changing for the original function, right? It's always decreasing. So it should be all below 0, all below x-axis at the origin. And so then we can eliminate A immediately. So then it leaves us with choice B. And if we check more closely at choice B, we will find out that in here, at some point, like the original function is changing from increasing to decreasing, and the point is negative, it's below 0. And at some point above 0, it changes back from decreasing to increasing, and that's exactly how the f function looks like. So choice B will be our final answer. So I mean, if you're on a test or exam, you can just like circle B and keep going. But if you like still confused about other choices, I can show you more closely. So choice C will be incorrect immediately in my mind, because f prime, because when you're taking a derivative of a function, you always make that function 1 degree lower, which means that if it's showing on a graph, that cannot be like a similar graph compared to the original f function. Like it should be simpler, like at least in in our eyes, like looking at it. So C does not change anything, like it just kind of like twisted a little bit, and it like shifted, like mirrored a little bit. So choice C is definitely not in our list. And choice D, it's showing like directly opposite way, because it's showing that the f function is decreasing first and then increasing and then decreasing, which is exactly opposite with our given function. So choice D can be eliminated. And choice E, well, same thing as choice D. Also, it's like very below the the x-axis, so it's definitely not our answer.